Hey, procurement enthusiasts! Ever wondered what makes procurement leaders the unsung heroes of seamless operations? Stick around as we unveil the fascinating rituals that keep the gears of procurement turning smoothly. Our procurement leaders are the maestros orchestrating a symphony of activities. Priority number 1, ensuring book build ship. Picture this: critical to delivery activities are the heartbeat of procurement. We're talking about monitoring key deliveries, managing delivery escalations, and making sure the ship sails smoothly. It's like a procurement dance where every step counts. Now, let's talk about priority number 2, backup and monitoring activities. Think of it as the procurement safety net. Our leaders keep an eagle eye on suppliers' portfolios, ensuring operational and team backup. Vendor relationship management is the secret sauce here. It's not just about transactions, it's about building lasting partnerships. Last but certainly not least, priority level 3, project activities. Here, our leaders wear the hat of innovators. Procurement projects leading the way and strategic plan improvements are the name of the game. It's like watching a superhero crafting new tools to make the procurement universe even more awesome. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. It's a celebration of efficiency. Until next time, happy procuring.